Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here once again. This is Pharmacist Ifeoluwa, and I'm here. I come to share health tips for us, and the feedback I've been getting has been wow, and I can't wait to do this from time to time. Alright, so today I'll be talking about how to avoid catarrh and cough, flu in general in this season, in rainy season. And because this is rainy season and it's the blessing, farmers are happy, people are even happy. I know more people are more happy with rainy season than dry season, so it's a blessing. So but we need to take care of ourselves because rainy season comes with a lot of water being humid and all cold. The weather is more cold during this season, and it could predispose people to severe healthcare conditions. So I would like to just talk about how to avoid flu in this rainy season. Well, you could say that flu or catarrh is a trivial thing. It happens and it goes, but it can become worse with some people, and people are actually very prone to it. So I'll be sharing tips, things that you can do that can reduce or even allow, as in it will make catarrh and cough lead you final bye-bye. Alright, so I'll be talking about it, and the first thing I'll mention is that since it's a cold season, it cannot be overemphasized that you have to wear warm clothes, wear things that will make you stay warm all day long. So avoid being beaten by rain, stay warm, stay cool, and wear clothes that make you feel warm. Don't wear, this is not the season for wearing sleeveless top, light clothes, you understand. So wear clothes that more of cotton clothes that are able to retain heat, able to retain warmth in you. So also I would also advise you that you should avoid eating too much of cold food items, drinking cold drinks and all that. It's not as if when you drink cold things, you still stay cold in your system. But thing is, if you are prone to cold and you take more cold things, it will increase your body. There's a way it reduces your body temperature so that the warmth that your body is supposed to get, the energy that your system, your body system is supposed to generate warm heat, it will use it to cool down the cold things that you are eating in, such that the warmth that your body is supposed to generate normally is reduced. Do you get? That's the way I can explain it in layman's terms. So avoid eating cold food items. Increase your intake of fruit and veggies. This cannot be overemphasized. Eat more of cucumber, watermelon, carrots, orange. Just increase your veggies. Spinach, infuse it, boil it, eat it. You can also boil it, drink, infuse plant. If you do infusion, you can boil your choice of veggies, very good ones. Boil it, drink the water. It helps to increase your immune system. It helps to boost your immune system. Another thing is you can take high strength vitamin C. This high strength vitamin C is actually a wonder. From being an antioxidant to boosting your immune system, to it helps your skin. It just makes you active all throughout the day. Highly the effervescent one, even the one that you can swallow with water. It's a very, very important part of your health routine. High strength vitamin C all year round keeps you fit. I want to tell you a story. When I was much younger, whenever I wake up in the morning, I wake up with heavy sneezing. As in, I will sneeze, my nose will be blocked and all that. And over time, most times I used to wake up as in sleep with a mentholated balm. So that when I wake up like this, the first thing I'll put it in my nose so that the cough and the catarrh, the flu that wakes me up in the morning is reduced. So when I became a pharmacist and the knowledge, I had the knowledge, I started taking high strength vitamin C. That thing reduced. I just found out that thing just reduced. I was not experiencing cough and catarrh and flu when I wake up in the morning, and it has helped me even in all I don't fall sick often. I'm more energized. My vital strength, my vitality is increased. So our insurers, I will advise us to include it in our health routine. It's not a drug, it's a supplement. You understand? Who that I don't like taking drug. Alright, so I will also say that peradventure you develop a flu, particularly have a catarrh or cough, you have a cold, common cold, take anti-allergies like loratadine. Loratadine is non-sedating and you can take it once daily, and you can also incorporate with the high strength vitamin C, you understand, and keep warm, rest more, sleep better. And once you have a cough and catarrh, you have flu, sneeze into a tissue. Don't sneeze into an handkerchief that you use again, because when you use an handkerchief, there's a probability for reinfection. Do you understand? So it's better for you to sneeze or cough into a tissue that can be trashed almost immediately. I also advise that you don't use inhaler. I mean, don't use Vicks inhaler. There are these inhalers that people use in the news, and some people have even turned it to a fashion item. So what I would say is that it also cause reinfection. Yeah, of course that thing adds mental. But when you have catarrh and you put it in your nose, you put the inhaler in your nose, you sneeze again, you put it into your nose, there's reinfection. You are introducing the microorganism that's causing the catarrh again when you put it in your nose. So stay clear of it. Take high strength vitamin C. Do not take antibiotics, because common cold, catarrh, they are viral infection. So viral infection will take their course. So what you can do is that to reduce the course they take in your body, you take high strength vitamin C, you rest more, and you don't find yourself reintroducing the viral organism into your body again by the things that I've mentioned earlier on. So, and if you have a relative that has catarrh, I would advise that you don't share materials during that period, because their materials, their clothes materials, things that they use, will be carrying the droplets from the flu, and anybody that touches it or inhales it or anything can come down with catarrh and cough. So these are the tips that I know that could help us to stay clear of catarrh and cough in rainy season, and to stay fit and active, and stay healthy this season. So if you have any other thing that you do that makes you keep warm, and all that, you have any inquiries or questions, you can drop comments, you can message me, I will reply. I'll be glad to hear from you. And if you have any other thing that maybe a particular health topic that you want us to talk about, I'm willing to hear from you, and I'll be happy to talk about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much. It's pharmife here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.